The planning stage of the pond construction is already half of the process.
Firstly, a homeowner needs to decide on the size of the pond.
The dimensions should complement the overall landscaping of the house while being large enough to have what the homeowners are planning to keep in the pond.
Secondly, the hobbyist needs to choose between a concrete pond and a rubber liner pond.
Both have its advantages and disadvantages, and it all boils down to the preferences of the homeowner.
For instance, those who want to have more choices can stick to having a rubber liner pond, as a concrete one would be more permanent.
Those who are thinking about having a concrete pond should make sure that everything about the dimensions and mechanisms it should have, as it would cost them to make even simple adjustments.
The next step in pond construction is choosing the app supplies.
There is a need for a pre-filter and filter to keep the pond maintained.
There is a need to decide which aquatic plants would be ideal for the fish to be kept in it.
This is followed by the overall look of the pond. This can be done by simple landscaping with potted flowering plants around the pond and pebble arrangements.
Others would go as far as installing waterfalls or even a fountain to have a highlight in the pond.
These would all depend on the size of the pond and the taste of the one who is designing it.
The pond construction will not be complete without making sure that it would be an inhabitable environment.
The fish and aquatic plants can be healthy by getting accessories to keep the pH levels neutral.
It would also be important to have accessories such as jets that are designed to add to the current so that the fish would have enough exercise.
The last step is mainly just checking all the accessories and cleaning them as needed.